FoxAlien CNC Router 4040XE, the best overall CNC router of 2024. This machine is a powerhouse, designed for ease of use and reliability, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. What sets the FoxAlien apart is its compatibility with GRBL open source software and the inclusion of powerful NEMA 23 stepper motors, ensuring precise and efficient performance. One of the standout features is the touchscreen LCD controller, allowing you to easily manage projects without constantly tethering to a laptop. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and versatile, whether you're engraving, milling, or cutting. The machine is capable of working on a variety of materials including wood, resin, acrylic, foam, PCB, and even carbon fiber. This versatility opens up endless creative possibilities, whether you're a hobbyist, professional, or small business owner. Users particularly appreciate the seamless connection between the controller and their laptops, making the setup process a breeze. The LCD touchscreen lets you monitor and execute projects smoothly, while the software simplifies the creation of G-code files. The maximum movement speed of 2,000 mm a minute and spindle speed range of 0 to 10,000 RPM ensure you can tackle a wide range of tasks efficiently. Safety and convenience are enhanced with the integrated control panel, power supply, and emergency stop button, all housed in a neatly designed box. This not only makes the machine safer, but also easier to clean and maintain. Whether you're working with wood, metal, resin, or carbon fiber, this CNC router is a top-notch choice for any project. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.